Molex NTC epoxy-coated temperature sensor cable assemblies provide accurate temperature readings in a compact form factor suitable for hard-to-reach locations. The cable assemblies feature a thermally conductive epoxy coating on the NTC chip thermistor that assists heat transfer to ensure accurate readings. The sensors are available with a variety of beta values, resistances, and resistance tolerances to allow designers to optimize the sensor performance for the target application environment. They're also offered in different lengths and with or without ring terminals to facilitate secure mounting to the measurement surface, while an optional Molex Micro Lock Plus connector provides a reliable and easy connection. Molex NTC epoxy-coated temperature sensor cable assemblies are available with temperature ratings from -40 degrees Celsius to +105 or 150 degrees Celsius.